Welcome back to another awesome video. As you can tell, I'm kind of ill at the moment, and it's just with Deck today, just me, because Felicity or Liz is at school. I am at home because I am ill, but I am currently making toasties. So this is our machine. I set up over there. Let me show you them so far. This is them so far, not cooked yet, but they are gonna be golden brownish when I'm done. And what I usually do when I'm making them is basically, well, I've never actually made them before, but my dad told me how to. But whenever I make them, I do it. Basically, I just put it onto high now, but I make it so I've got the 2 pieces of bread, butter on the outside, and I've got beans in the middle, but I put some salt and pepper on them for extra flavouring. So yeah, that's my lunch today. And then, well, what kind of drink should I have? I think I might have a Pepsi. Actually, no. To show you guys this, I'm going to have a Soda Stream. So this is a Soda Stream just here. One sec, let me move that, sorry. This is a Soda Stream. You press this button on the top and it lets air out. So let me show you how it's done. Oh, it's getting there, guys. It's got all its shape now. Turn it back down to medium. Right, so if I just get a special Soda Stream cup, like bottle, so yeah, it's long. So this is the Soda Stream bottle. Whoa, guys, look at this. Yeah, look at that, guys. Looks amazing. Doesn't it? Right, so firstly, you fill this up to the line here with water. I should need to quickly wash it out. So as you can see now, I always do it a bit over the line so I get more. Then when I take it over to here, to connect it up, let me just show you. So, put the bottle over that nozzle, then you push the bottle back in, then you do a couple presses. That makes it so it's like fizzy. Then you go over here, you get one of our flavours. So I'm going to do Pepsi Max Cherry. When you're pouring this in, the lid part, one sec guys, let me just check on the toasty before I do that. Right, ready? And open it up. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Alright, so back over to here with the Soda Stream. So you take the cap off, you fill it up to the line inside. I do it a bit over the line as well because I fill it up. Then take your bottle, tilt it to the side and slowly pour this in. And once you've got it all done like that, slowly, so you don't fizz it, you just turn it so it mixes. So now that is the exact same as if I were to get a Pepsi Max Cherry. If you're wondering why I'm ill, I've got tonsillitis, so I'm home from that. So if I take you guys back over here, let's have another look at my toasties. They are looking so good now, guys. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's annoying being ill. Would I have PE today? Which I do love PE. But yesterday we had a test. I got 19.5 out of 28 marks. Still good, I guess. So, if you see this soda stream now, don't know if you heard that little pop then, but it's all fizzy and everything. And then, it's good as usual. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys back, just put this in the living room, and I'll get my plate out and get it all ready. So,
yeah, hello. Cheeseburger toasty.
Thanks, love.
bye. I'm watching the
Perfect. Yum.
toasty videos. So
Hey, mate.
if I just put that down there,
Actually, no.
I woke up not that long ago, and then I brought this down for later. But yeah, I went back to sleep because I was feeling really ill. I've had a little snack. And that's it really so far. Because my mum drove me here and then I got changed and went to sleep. Alright, let's take you guys back to the kitchen, where we can check on my toasties again. Oh guys, they're looking amazing. Guys, I was wondering, when I do get my own channel, should I also do cooking on there? Because I do like doing like cooking and stuff. Oh, I can cook cakes and stuff. Pasta, chili, curry. I can cook all sorts of things. Yeah, this is an older machine, so you can get newer ones now. And these are the beans I was putting in. So, might have more, to be honest. If I do finish it. And I'm still hungry. But yeah, going good. Comment down below. I will probably be posting another video today if I do make more on me actually doing it. Because, yeah. But I just want... Oh yeah, also, our two of our shorts have actually got quite a lot of views. Quite a lot of likes now. So, yeah. I don't know, what should I make next, guys? Comment down below. Tell me what I should make next. Sorry, I'm so ill. What I should make next. Okay? Right. Oh, I think they're nearly ready. They seem to be ready. I don't want to put my hand there. Oh, I just turned it off. Alright. Okay, guys. So it's popping and crackling at the moment. So if I just get my plate out, and I will show you guys how I prepare it and everything. Oh yeah, also when I'm putting the butter on the outside, I'll always melt it a bit in the microwave first. So I do 10-15 seconds so it's melted. Oh, that looks perfect, guys. Look how perfect they look. Just take a quick photo. Yeah. Oh no, my phone. We haven't got any GoPros yet, guys. We're thinking about getting one very soon though. Oh no. Right, I need to get another knife or something. I'll get this spoon just to carry it over there. Put it on my plate. Oh yeah. And the second one. Pry it up from every angle. And plonk it down there. Ooh. A bit hot then, guys. Right, so you ready to see the finished product? And bam! In my opinion, it looks quite good, to be honest. Let me just get a knife to cut it when I'm in there. Alright, I'll see you when I'm in there. Peace. Hey guys, I'm back and I'm in the living room now. Right, so let me just cut this up. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, it's a bit hot. And that is the finished product, guys. Alright guys, let me just take my first bite and then that will be the end of today, this video now. Hope it's good, hope I don't get food poisoning. Actually, it's taken quite a while to just cut. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Peace.